So if you're seeing this video, something happened. But pop-up meet going on. We're gonna take the old RSX out there, and you can't see me. Hang on. Yeah, we're gonna take the old RSX out there. Look at the mileage on this thing. I've been putting them on it. Oh, brother. All right. Anyways, I gotta get moving. We're all gonna meet up, and then I can't believe how bright this thing is. We're gonna meet up and then go see. So chances are, if you've seen this video, some stuff happened. I got video of. If not, well, oh well. So, all right, I'm gonna head out. What does that say? Sells homes. Cheryl sells homes. Team. Cheryl sells homes. Team. Well, I hear Nick. Of course, yep, there it is. I was right. I heard him a mile away.
Hey, we gotta go to the Billet 66 by the Starbucks. They're out of E85.
Oh, okay.
I'm sitting on the fucking floorboard.
Are you actually?
He has no seat over here.
Oh. All right, off to the spot. We got the Golf R in front. Nick's already long gone. You know how he is. So we'll meet him there. It's all right. Pit stop number 53. Almost on our way up there. We gotta try like 10 different gas stations because everywhere's out of the good stuff. So yeah, we'll be on our way though. All right, let's go. Oh my god, that is a big ass dip. Holy shit.
You gotta race Garrett before you depart.
Who?
Who?
Arslan!
Hey, you gotta race Garrett before you depart.
Arslan fucking blocking the goddamn way!
No, he's not.
No, he's
behind
not.
me. Bro, can you not? I know you can't drive.
Park behind me.
Yeah, you gotta go run Garrett anyway.
Oh no.
Who?
No, he doesn't.
I just haven't. No, I don't know how I can show you that.
He's on a tire. Golf R and S550.
1, 2, 3!
GTR number 2. I'll give you a little update. Just kind of chilling. It's not really that big of a meet. We're just kind of hanging out. I've been recording like anything that happens. It's freezing though. My hands are frozen, so like kind of hurts to be on my phone. So I'm kind of get the best I can. I don't know. Kind of a chill night. Nothing too crazy, I guess.
He was worried about. He put Jeremy's valve on.
Wait, yeah, he was having smoke issues.
He said no smoke, so he's coming out.
Yeah, no, that's fine. That was